How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about this warning message that you get on your Honda or Acura when your keyless access battery is low. And that's basically, if your remote looks like this, just a fob without a key attached to it, this is what I'm talking about. So when this light comes on, obviously your battery is low. So at this point, you need to change the battery. And the battery number is a 3-volt 2032. I'll add a link to it. You could get this off of Amazon, eBay, and whatnot. But anyways, eventually, if you don't get to this quick enough, the remote's going to go completely dead, and you're not going to be able to start your car. And I'll illustrate what's going to happen here. So as you can see, nothing's happening. So at this point, you're going to take the remote like this. You're going to press your brake pedal like you normally would. You're going to use it. And it's going to start your car just like that. See, still indicates battery's low. Use the remote, start it. So in case of emergency, you're not going to be able to not start it. You won't be stuck out on the road like that. So you can use this as a last resort. Again, the battery is 2032. You can get it anywhere basically off of Amazon. Especially, I'll post a link in the description. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting videos just like this one on Hondas and Acuras on a weekly basis on tips, tricks, and DIYs and tutorials that I do all the time.